Hey, just a quick note before we get into today's episode. I am running a free 3-day French comprehension bootcamp from December 11 to December 13. It is designed for beginners who can sort of understand French, but still find it hard to follow French conversations. So each day of the bootcamp, you'll get 2 short activities in French, 1 written and 1 audio to help you build your comprehension skills. If you'd like to join, you'll find the link in the podcast notes. We start next week. Hello everyone, bonjour tout le monde, and welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode 196, numéro 196. Today we are learning a very common French verb, and that's the verb parler, which means to speak or to talk. We'll look at how to conjugate the verb parler in the present tense. Now, as always, if you are new to the podcast, welcome. Please make sure you have your lessons cheat sheet ready so you can follow along while you listen. And after the episode, practice what you've learned inside the French Made Easy exercise library. You'll find all the links in the episode notes. It is free. All right, so let's conjugate the verb parler in the present tense. And before we jump in, remember that the present tense is used to talk about what's happening now or things that you do regularly. All right, so let's do it. Please repeat after me so you can practice your pronunciation as well. Je parle. I speak or I'm speaking. Je parle. Tu parles. You speak, informal, or you're speaking. Tu parles. Il or elle parle. He or she speaks. Il or elle parle. On parle. We speak, informal. On parle. Nous parlons. We speak. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. You speak. So that's formal or plural. Vous parlez. Il ou elle parle. They speak, masculine or feminine. Il ou elle parle. All right, so that's it for the conjugation. Now let's see some example sentences. Again, please repeat after me. Je parle français. I speak French. Je parle français. Est-ce que tu parles anglais? Do you speak English? Est-ce que tu parles anglais? Elle parle très bien l'espagnol. She speaks Spanish very well. Elle parle très bien l'espagnol. On parle avec notre professeur. We are talking with our teacher. On parle avec notre professeur. Nous parlons de notre week-end. We are talking about our weekend. Nous parlons de notre weekend. Vous parlez trop vite. You speak too fast. Vous parlez trop vite. Ils ne parlent pas la même langue. They don't speak the same language. Ils ne parlent pas la même langue. All right, so let's do a quick recap of the conjugation of parler in the present tense. Je parle. Tu parles. Il ou elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il ou elle parle. Et voilà, that is how you conjugate parler in the present tense. Don't forget to head over to the exercise library to get some extra practice. It is free. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll chat with you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye. Before you go, let me ask you something. Do you feel like you kind of know French, but when it comes to actually speaking, you freeze? If that's you, I made something just for you. It's called the French Fluency Gap Guide, and inside you'll discover the 5 fluency pillars every French learner needs. You see exactly where you're on track, where you're stuck, and what to focus on next. It's completely free and you can get it right now. You'll find the link waiting for you in the show notes.